plant cell. I'm the cell wall, and just like the bricks in this classroom, I give the cell definite shape and help protect it. Also, the cell membrane helps protect the cell, just like the paint on the wall is a thin layer inside the cell wall. It helps protect the classroom. The cytoplasm in a cell would be what makes up, fills the rest of the cell, just like the desks in this classroom fill up the whole classroom. This little bag of water would represent the vacuole inside the cell because it helps store water and the cell can use it when it needs it.
This clump of string represents the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is thread-like protein strands that crisscross throughout the entire cell.
This jar of peanuts is just like the ribosomes, because it produces the protein in the cell.
The mitochondria produces the energy that the cell needs, just like the power outlets on the side of the desk. They help provide the entire cell with energy.
The Golgi body sorts and packages proteins, just like the pencil sorts them out in color, packages them in bag, and we sharpen them to modify them. Smoothie yard acts as a storage for lipids, so that they can be used later on. Just like our brains, what they do with the knowledge is that they store them, and so that we can use it later on in life.
The chloroplast is part of the plant that is part of the cell that gathers light to produce energy for the cell, just like this plant.
And finally, you can call me Mrs. Godekin for this one, because just like the nucleus, she helps control the entire cell and contains most of the genetic information.
And the rough ER packages proteins and moves them.
And that's the plant cell.